Hello guys, this is my third pour on grey pillow and I am doing on this one pseudo swipe to make embellishment later on. So let's get started. Okay, this one is a Nightfall pigment mixed with Pebeo, and then I added the violet tube paint and then pouring medium. It's really shiny and nice. So this is going here. Then the second one I am laying this one next to it. This one is blue-green Pebeo Iridescent. Then I am using Sockeye pigment, going just right there. Then I have got this lovely extreme sheen, 24 karat extreme sheen. I got pink one, so that's what I am putting there. Now what I am going to do is going to be a pseudo swipe. So I have got my palette knife and I'm going to put just like this and just going set. Where's my so next one is next to it. So this one is going to be the last one. Ooh. It's done there. You can see lovely cells are forming. So what I do now, I will spin and then I'm going to put the black there once the spinning is done. So let's get started. Okay. You see lovely drip here. So going this way. So that's it, I'm going to leave it. So what I'm doing now, can clearly see it's blank here, so it's going to be some stone glasses, the crystal chip crush glasses will be there and there, and probably will give some lines as well before I lace in. So it looks beautiful, to be honest. I like it, and love the purple. Can't actually see much purple, it's most up there. So yeah, but the shine is unbelievable. Give you another close look to it. Thank you for watching, guys.